except all are true about chaperones except many of them are known as heat shock protein. Yes, they are called as heat shock protein, HSP. They are also called as stress protein. Chaperones are called as the heat shock protein or the stress protein. They use the energy during protein chaperone interaction. Yes, when the protein is going to be folded by the chaperone, it requires the energy. Ubiquitin is one of the most important chaperone? No. Ubiquitin is not a chaperone. Ubiquitin is a complete different molecule that helps in detection of the wrong proteins. The chaperones, they are present in wide range of species from the bacteria to human. Maybe you may not be knowing, but this is very clear cut that ubiquitin is not a chaperone. That is a very clear cut thing. It's not a chaperone. If they say what are the examples of chaperone, the examples of chaperones such as it is going to be calnexine, calreticulin, GRP94. These are some of the example of chaperones. Right.